Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Nissan Limousine RV is a groundbreaking combination of the luxury limousine's amenities with the adaptability of a fully furnished RV. This unusual car is perfect for executive tours, VIP travel, or opulent family road vacations because it blends state-of-the-art technology with excellent living areas. Powertrain and Performance. It is anticipated that the 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome will have a hybrid drivetrain that blends a cutting-edge electric motor with a smooth V6 gasoline engine. Highlights of the performance include a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine. Drivetrain. There are models with all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. Transmission, 8-speed automatic or hybrid e-CVT. Power, around 400 horsepower. A 5,000-pound maximum towing capability for a trailer or other equipment. The hybrid model can travel more than 600 miles on a single charge. Long highway rides are made more comfortable by the suspension's comfort-tuned settings and adjustable dampers. Living space inside the Nissan Limousine Motorhome's interior has been transformed into a mobile luxury suite with the greatest comfort and entertainment features. The living room boasts a 55-inch OLED TV with surround sound entertainment system, fold-out tables, and a built-in mini fridge. Luxurious leather reclining seats with ventilation and massage capabilities. Ambient LED lighting, motorized privacy dividers, and smart home controls for lighting, climate, and media. The bedroom's features include soundproof walls for peaceful sleep, a convertible rear cabin that can be made into a queen-size bed, with memory foam, adjustable mood lighting, and underbed storage. The kitchenette, small but highly functional, including a refrigerator, microwave, dual-burner induction stove, stainless steel sink, and small freezer. An integrated coffee maker. The bathroom features a ventilation fan, an eco-flush toilet, a private wet bath with a hot water shower, a skylight, and a vanity sink with a mirror. 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, 360-degree camera system, smart parking assist, integrated smart assistant, voice-activated for cabin and vehicle functions, rooftop solar panels with battery backup for off-grid operation, and Nissan Pro Pilot Assist 2.0 for semi-autonomous driving are some examples of technology and connectivity features. Examples of safety features include advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, lane maintain assist, emergency braking, pedestrian recognition, forward collision warning, fire suppression for RV components, blind spot monitoring, and more. Market target. The 2026 Nissan Limousine Motorhome is perfect for VIP private travel, executive transport firms, influencers and celebrities seeking a mobile base, and luxury road travelers seeking comfort without sacrificing style.